Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add spanning labels to single parcel segment in Civil 3D. Spanning labels are used where you need a label that span the overall length of an outside segments. So spanning label requires that you use the appropriate vertices as we discussed in the previous exercises, constructing parcel segment with the appropriate vertices. Spanning labels have some requirements. The first one, spanning labels can span only split created vertices. Natural vertices will interrupt a spanning length. So spanning labels type must be composed to span the outside segments. Okay, the third one, spanning label style must be composed to attach the desired spanning components such as length and directions arrow on the outside of the segment. So once you have confirmed that your geometry is sound and your label is properly composed, you are set to span. In this exercise I will teach you how to add spanning labels to single parcel segment. So you can open your drawing 510 spanning label from the description link. I will put this drawing in the description which you can download, and once you have open this drawing, zoom in on the inner right of right of way parcel segment that runs from 100 to 105. So change to the annotate tab and select here add labels parcels, add parcel labels, and then from the drop down menu in the add labels dialog box, select segment as a single segment, and line label should be span, bearing and distance with crow's feet. For the curve label, delta over length and radius will be fine. Then click add. Okay, at the select point on the entity prompt which you can read here, select the somewhere near the middle of the outer parcel segment that you can see here, that run from parcel 100 to 105. Just click and you will see a label that span the full length between natural vertices appear. Okay, as time permits, create other span labels along the other inner lot line, you can say here, and you can use same method for this also. Just press escape, and if you have some conflict with labels, then you can use your label, just select your label, and you can also flip your label from the lines outside inside, or you can also reverse your labels like this. We discussed in detail for the reverse and flip labels in the previous exercise. If you did not watch, please go there and watch and stay tuned for the next exercise.